you need that powerful engine to be hauling this heavy vehicle around, especially when you actually start putting people and passengers into the vehicle. You're not going to be getting that 3.5 0-60 time, obviously, when you have your family around in this car. But Bentley gives you that big monstrous engine for that. Now, I personally don't really like the whole closed off plastic engine design, which everybody is gravitating to. And it's not specifically just Bentley, it's everybody else. It's like you see it in even lower cars like the Hondas, the Toyotas, the Nissans. Everybody's kind of gravitating towards this kind of covered up design for the engine. Hey, let's just put a nice plastic cover up top. I personally don't like that myself. I'd rather see the nice, beautiful engine. I really think that if you did not have this massive cover here and you just showed those big, massive turbos with that massive twin turbo V8, I think you would actually attract a lot more people with this kind of engine style. But that's just my personal take.